As supervisors, we play a critical role in shaping the skills of our team members. Sa lesson na ito, we will be exploring the stages of performance management and the tools that will help you navigate this journey effectively. Ako po si Gigi Glodevesa, ang inyong katuwang mula sa Monitoring and Evaluation section ng HRDO at welcome sa ating lesson number 1, ang Performance Management System. The implementation of the Strategic Performance Management System in the university gives emphasis to the alignment of the university goals, mission, vision, and strategic priorities as mandated by RA 9500 to the individual performance targets. The essence of performance management is not just for formality. It is a strategic process that aims to both enhance the employee's performance and foster continuous improvement of the entire organization. In this journey, we embark on 4 essential stages of the university's performance management. Each stage is a crucial building block in fostering individual and collective achievement of employees. Tara, samahan niyo akong tahakin ang bawat bahagi ng ating performance management system at diskubrihin kung paano mga ito makakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng ating serbisyo. This first stage involves setting clear and achievable goals aligned with the organizational objectives. During this stage, success indicators are determined. They can be classified as strategic, core, and support. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng mga ito? The strategic function pertains to our outputs that are linked to the priority deliverables of the university and the unit. This may include programs, activities, and projects that support the initiative for service improvement. Core function pertains to output linked to the main services or products of the unit or individual. Lastly, the support function provides necessary resources. During this stage, we also use processes and tools like goal setting by establishing SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. As a supervisor, you need to collaborate with your team members to set SMART goals. Work hand in hand with them to define and align their individual roles with your unit goals. Utilize the tools for documenting and clarifying objectives to ensure that everyone has a clear understanding of their roles and responsibilities. By using SMART goals, we are able to set a framework for managing the performance of the staff. So dapat din na ito ay agreed by both the staff and the supervisor. The second stage of performance management is monitoring and coaching. As a supervisor, this stage is crucial for the ongoing development and success of your team. It is your responsibility to periodically check the work performance of your subordinates. Ano-ano mga pwedeng gawin during this stage? You can conduct frequent one-on-one meetings to discuss the progress, address concerns, and offer support. Create monitoring tools to track progress and provide constructive feedback during this stage. Implement coaching sessions tailored to individual needs. And, if necessary, conduct group coaching for team projects. Remember, coaching is not a size-fits-all endeavor. It is a dynamic process that adapts to the unique requirements of each team member. By conducting regular one-on-one meetings, utilizing monitoring tools, and implementing coaching strategies, you create an environment that nurtures continuous improvement and supports the professional development of your team. The third stage of the performance management is the review and evaluation. At this stage, prepare a comprehensive performance appraisal or evaluation report based on the set goals created during the planning stage and individual achievements. We encourage self-assessment and provide feedback from both you and your team members. Discuss their performance, accomplishments, and areas for improvement. After assessing the employees' achievements against their targets, both the supervisor and the employees sit down to discuss strengths and areas for improvement. For those with unsatisfactory performance, remember to discuss development plan. A written notice should be issued if there are unsatisfactory performance ratings in every evaluation period. At this stage, we prepare the individual development plan. It is used to identify areas of growth and improvement of the employee. Bakit mahalaga ang individual development plan? Gaano kaimportante ang development planning sa performance management at ano ang mga kahalagahan nito sa pagpapaunlad ng ating performance management? Individual development plan is important because it provides us guidance on how to improve ourselves based on our skills, interests, and what we want to accomplish or achieve in our career. Makakatulong ito for organizing and setting priorities for learning and development. Makakatulong ito sa mga empleyado para ma-improve ang kanilang performance, ma-manage ang kanilang career development, at maihanda sa mga additional responsibilities. We need the management, you as supervisors, and even our coworkers to make this possible. There are various approaches that will allow us to work on our improvement and attain expected competencies. Have you heard of the 70-20-10 learning philosophy? According to it, 70% of what employees learn come from informal, job-based, and practical experience. The other 20% we learn through coaching, mentoring, and other relationship or discussion-based activities. Then, the remaining 10% come from formal and structured interventions. Bilang supervisor, our role is crucial. Kailangan po nating tulungan ang ating mga subordinates in understanding the IDP process, including their strengths, weaknesses, and areas for greater responsibility. Monitor their progress and ensure the completion of committed programs and developmental interventions. And after learning each other's roles, let's remember the process of the individual development plan. First, identify your goals and aspirations. Remember the SMART approach. It should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Second, determine the employee's strengths and development needs. Identify competencies and ano yung mga skills na need ma-improve. Third, plan specific steps or design your program. Dito na papasok ano-ano ang mga different types ng developmental interventions ang makakatulong sa employee. You can choose traditional training, online microlearning, coaching and mentoring, or on-the-job training, among others. Fourth, employees should discuss the plan with their supervisors. And lastly, implement the individual development plan. The employees should always check in with their supervisors the progress of their IDP. Magandang araw, si Gigi po ito ng HRDO. Ano pong may paglilingkod ko?
Hello po, Miss Gigi. Si Gwen po ito AO5 from office. Pwede po kaya akong magpa-consult? Meron po kaming newly hired kasi na staff na after 3 months ay nagkaroon na po ng issue with his colleagues. Meron po mga incident na tinatanggihan niya yung utos ng ibang senior staff saying na wala sa job description niya. Pwede po bang magkaroon ng unsatisfactory sa performance rating niya sa darating na rating period?
Regarding po sa inyong inquiry, mas mainam po na magkaroon po muna tayo ng panayam sa staff in concern upang malaman niya na mayroon po siyang pagkukulang sa mga expected duties po niya. Siya po ba ay nakaka-deliver ng kanyang output based po sa napag-usapan niyo during the target setting?
Malino naman po na naipaliwanag sa kanya. Maayos naman po yung mga reports na naipapasa niya at lagi pong maaga sa napag-uusapang deadline.
Kung ganoon po, hindi po natin maaaring bigyan ng unsatisfactory rating ang isang staff kung wala pong basehan ng ating pagbibigay nito. Lalo na po base sa inyong nabanggit ay maayos ang kanyang mga report. Kung nakikita nating problema ang pagsunod sa ibang senior staff, baka po kailangan po muna siyang kausapin upang ipaalam sa kanya ang concern na ito. Mahalagang malaman po natin kung anong dahilan ng hindi niya pagsunod at maiparating din sa kanya kung ano-ano ang mga bagay na kailangan niyang gampanan sa loob ng opisina. Maaari po ninyong gamitin ang ating coaching and monitoring form upang i-record ang inyong napag-usapan, kabilang ang mga sumusunod na hakbang sa pag-aayos ng mga expectations sa kanya.
Maraming salamat po sa payo, Miss Gigi.
Salamat din po. Sana ay maging maayos ang inyong pag-uusap. Kung may kailangan pa po kayo, tawag lang po kayo dito sa MES. Kung kayo ang nasa sitwasyon ni Gwen, ano ang inyong gagawin? Effective performance management transcends mere task completion. It is a strategic process that harmonizes individual efforts with organizational success. By understanding and implementing each stage with diligence, we foster an environment conducive to continual improvement, employee satisfaction, and overall organizational growth. Your role in this performance management process is of critical importance. Let's be effective and navigate these stages hand in hand, utilizing the provided processes and tools. In doing so, we contribute not only to the individual success of our staff, but also to the overall success of the team and the organization.